So how to connect the Wi-Fi mobile? So first thing is select the keypad, press star and hex. Okay, after that you can key in your admin password, press hex.
Successful.
So after going you can find the remote manage, press 2.
Add app. 2.
Add app, press 1.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi, press 1. So after done it here, you can go to your phone to find the use smart go. Okay. After done, you can add device, Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so you now to connect the cloud home first. So after that, connect the cloud home. You need to go back to your page at here. After that, you loading. Okay, after that, you need to select 2.4G Wi-Fi to connect. Okay, so start to connect.
设备添加成功。1 Wi-Fi 2 AP。
So already done. You need to set up a password or anything for unlock.